guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be trying out a GoPro on my motorbike for the first time, which is very exciting. So what I've got is a GoPro Hero 4 as shown. This is my boyfriend's, doesn't actually belong to me, but he's very kindly let me borrow it. He tends to use it when he goes snowboarding, so just to get some footage from that. But otherwise it doesn't get very much use, so we'll see how it works on the bike. The other piece of kit I have, which I bought specifically for this, is a handlebar mount, showing here by Nordic Flash. Hope you can see it. This one had very good reviews on YouTube and Amazon as well, so I decided to go for it. Cost about £12–13, and this one will go on the handlebar of the bike or the wing mirror. It specifically said it will fit on the wing mirror as well, fingers crossed. So that's why I chose this one. I was hoping that this one would be the best call for me, but we'll go out to the bike and see how we get on. It's quite high here, so it's quite difficult to mount anything on the handlebars here. There wouldn't really be a lot of space. Okay, so that's why I'm hoping that will fit on one of these mirrors here. Sadly, that's not going to be tight enough. That's not going to stay there. I'm going to see if I can find a place on the handlebar where I can mount it. I put it here now. Okay. I have a feeling it's going to be completely obscured by the screen, or at least to a large part, but I thought I'm gonna try anyway. It fits here quite nicely, so I brought it as far left as possible. Because of the heated grips, that's why it's not fitting as far left as we'd like, but we'll just have to see how it goes. If this doesn't work, then I'll probably have to get a helmet mount for the camera. So that was some of the footage that I took using the GoPro on that mount. I think we can all agree it didn't come out great. So the next thing I'm gonna try is an actual helmet mount. I need to just go and pick something that I feel comfortable using. Probably gonna go for the real GoPro thing rather than going for some of the cheap alternatives, just to kind of for my own peace of mind, really. So I'll upload another video when I've received that and had a chance to get some sample footage together from that. Thanks for watching.